So hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick little video showing an easy way to rearrange the app here on the screen. So the quickest way to do this is you just push and hold. This screen will come up telling you can remove them around, and now you can adjust the placement of these icons. There's another way to do this. You have to go through all the settings, but that's the easiest way. You just push it and hold it and drag them wherever you want. Makes it easy because usually the default is stuff you don't really use on the first page. So you can get rid of it. You can put it here on the page all by itself if you want. Put it in the middle of that page. Just really allows you to customize it to how you want and what you use the most to be on that first screen when you turn your car on. Then you can also hide them here. You push a button and hide certain ones if you just don't want to see them. You can push add, and it brings up a list of everything you can add to it on the bottom if you want different icons there. So it's a quick little tip if you guys didn't know how to do that. It's really easy. They make it very intuitive. You just click and hold and they light up and you arrange it. And then when you're done, just push the done button on the right hand corner of the screen. That's it. Then it's all set. Makes it easy. Like I said, you can really customize it, which is nice. I didn't know that at first. Thought you had to go through all the settings and there's a button that says you can rearrange them, but this is a much faster way to do it. So I appreciate it, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that. I love reading your comments. I really do. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.